Parents wishing to travel with their children overseas after a family separation must be aware of certain provisions under the Family Law Act that require consent to be obtained from the non-travelling parent prior to travel. Failure to obtain this consent may result in the travelling parent being penalised or denied at the border. This video will provide information for parents wishing to travel internationally with their child when subject to parenting orders by the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia. The Family Law Act permits a parent subject to parenting orders to travel internationally with their child where there is express written consent of each parent subject to the parenting orders or a court order providing for the overseas travel. Depending on the terms of your specific parenting order, it may be a criminal offence under the Family Law Act to take a child outside of Australia without the other parent's permission or an order from the court. This offence is punishable by up to 3 years imprisonment. To avoid being denied at the border, a travelling parent should take a certified copy of the court orders or a copy of the written consent allowing international travel to the airport with them when travelling. If separated parents are unable to agree on proposed international travel, the travelling parents can make an application to the court seeking orders permitting the travel. The court will then determine if the proposed travel is within the best interest of the child. These parenting orders can include specific provisions for international travel, which may include but are not limited to the amount of notice a travelling parent is required to provide to the non-travelling parent of their plans, whether the itinerary is to be shared with the non-travelling parent, the contact details for the child whilst travelling, and how the child's passport will be handled. Where parenting orders stipulate that a parent has sole parental responsibility for the child, the orders may also provide that this parent can arrange international travel without the consent of the other parent. Although this is not always the case and careful consideration ought to be had for the specific terms of the parenting orders. For more information about your legal rights and responsibilities when travelling internationally with your child following a family separation, contact our experienced family law team at Solari and Stock Lawyers and stay tuned for upcoming videos on this topic.